how to create this effect using Capcut, so come with me. First thing first, record a video of yourself from an overhead angle using tripod or anything stable. Secondly, walk across the frame from one end to the other. Next, go back to menu and go to Instagram. Then select any of your video and make sure the post action is in the center of your screen, just like mine. Then take screenshot of it, and next crop out the post action. After that, click on save and save the photo. Then head down to Capcut and import your video. So this is the video. Then after importing your videos, you have to click on overlay and add the Instagram screenshot we took as overlay. Then you have to resize it to make sure it fits the screen. Then when you are done with that, you have to drag it to make sure it aligns with the main video timeline. Then next, you have to select your main video and go to duplicate. Then click on duplicate. Also select the duplicate because we are going to add it as overlay. Then go to overlay and click on overlay. Then drag it to align with the other two clips. Next step, you have to select the video you added as overlay and go to remove BG, that's remove background. Click on it and click on auto remover. Then automatically you have removed the background. And guess what? You have successfully created this 3D effect. And if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment tutorial on the comment section. Now let's see what it looks like.